Shut up. Stop it. Oh, well, guys, good morning. Another day, another chance to catch an enormous bass. Ooh, just gotta wake up a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna grab some coffee and I'll meet you guys at the lake. Let's get it. Oh, we're off, Noodle. Let's go get some fish. I skipped on the coffee and got one of these instead. These aren't bad. They're pretty solid. Like a little fruit juice in the morning. What's cranking, wieners? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're fishing a lake that I think was voted the grossest lake in all of DFW. So I'm pretty stoked about this. All jokes aside, I've actually had some really good days out here. I've caught some big fish out here and I've caught a lot of fish out here. And it's gross, it's dirty, it's full of trash, like literally full of trash, but I seem to catch fish out here and I think a lot of people do as well. All that aside, I do have a quick message for you guys. One thing I want to say, in the midst of this chaos, keep this brief by the way, in the midst of this chaos, that I hope you guys are staying safe, staying well, being cautious, wash your damn hands, but most importantly, get out there and enjoy Mother Nature. I also understand how important fishing is for a lot of you guys and how, in many ways, it can be like some of the best forms of social distancing. Look at this. Look how many people I'm around right now. No one. There's no one. If I had the disease right now, nobody is getting it. Well, except maybe Lucky. Although I'm pretty sure wiener dogs are immune to the virus. Yeah, stay safe, stay healthy. Just get out and fish. Enjoy the outdoors. Be in the moment. There's a lot of chaos right now. Keep track of the news, but don't necessarily stay glued to it. I made that mistake, and that's why I'm out here fishing, because I'm just getting after it. All that set aside, let's go break some necks, crank some heads today. I'm very stoked to bring you guys along with today's journey. Let me crank this V8 Energy, give you guys a quick cheers, and we'll be off. Let's go crank some toadies. Woo! Here we are. It's been about a year since I fished this lake. Last time I was here though, I caught a 6, a 7, a 5-pounder, and then like a few 4s. Me and this lake have some history. We're romantically active, me and this lake. We just, what am I getting at? I don't know what I'm trying to say. I like this lake a lot though. It looks like it's high, water's muddy, which sucks balls, but whatever. We're just gonna make it happen. Can't change the conditions. You can only just roll with the punches, ebb with the flow, roll with the tide. Something like that. Beans, you gotta get out of my way. You're kind of in my way right now, Beans. I love you, girl, but Jeezy Pete, you're like right in the middle of where I'm trying to make the business happen. Pardon for the fish bus. Will not surprise me. We'll throw a little Okeechobee curl, bandito bug. We should just call it the bandito bug. It is way more fun to say bandito than bandito. Bandito bug. Went out there, picked up a bandito bug and gave her a toss, and we caught a nice 9-pounder. Went back home, had some cheese and grits, and called it a day. Oh, I wish I was from the South. I'm just a Yankee though. I'm just a Northern Illinois Yank. I'm trying to assimilate though, that's why I moved to Texas. Let's get to business! Let's get to business! Fish! Come on out of there. Oh, he came off! No, 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 that was a good fish. Ah, why do I suck? Right where he needed to be, right in the backside of that tree. Fucking A, how do I keep losing these bass? Not good, man, not good. Can't keep losing fish like that. Look at all them birds, look at all them birds. Jesus, a lot of cormorants. Holy nut, look at all those birds, pelicans. Cormorants, pelicans and cormorants. All fish-eating birds. Okay then, interesting. There we go, there's a fish, about time. That's a nice one. I'll take that all day. I'll take that all day. That's a good fish. We're just gonna flip it. We're just gonna flip it. Oh, she might be too... She might be too big to flip. Come on, come on, get up here. Get up here. Oh! That's a stud. That's a stud. I'll take that all day. Woohoo! Let's go, baby. Oh, man, this is why I love fishing this lake, dude. There's always good bass in here. Always. One of my biggest Texas bass came out of this very body of water. And we're just starting the day off with a nice 6-pounder. This fish right here is the reason why I was so pissed off about losing those bites back there. This is my 3rd bite of the day. I missed 2 other big ones, and it's just like, you never know, man. Like 10s come out of here frequently. A lot of 9s, a lot of 8s. This guy, she might go 6th. she might go 6th, and I'll take that all damn day. I was like, kind of geriatric with the hook set, but we got her in. That's all that matters. I don't know. I just needed to flip a fish this year over 5 pounds. That felt very nice. Let's take one last look at this guy. Oh, behemoth. Definitely tell she's spawning. Look at that tail. That is something that you should always pay attention to this time of year. Take a look at that tail. If it's red and bloody and gnarled up, it means you need to keep fishing shallow. Wow, I got this fish good. He was going nowhere. She's not quite 6th. She is 5'13". Not a very long fish, but she makes up with it in the girth. Nice start. We're heading in the right direction. Let's go get some more. Time to send her back. And just like that, we got the first kill of the day, boys and girls. I've been flipping, looking for a bite like that. Again, it's my 3rd bite of the day. It could have been my 3rd fish if I didn't whiff on those other ones, but it's good to know that they are in the brush. I don't think they're all in the brush right now, but usually if there's big ones in the brush like that, there's gonna be more. It's just a good sign, that's what I'm trying to say. That fish ate this lure right here. I'm trying out a different color today. I don't throw Okeechobee craw enough, so I'm trying to give it some work, and yeah, man, that fish ate on the drop just like boom, 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 set the hook. Lovely. Lucky, are you hyped now? Get hyped, Pooch. We're gonna get some more. We're gonna get some more bass. You wanna get some more bass? There's one. Another one. Another one. There we go. Getting on some fish now, boys. Getting on some fish now, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 3 casts after. We got ourselves a little male. They're in the brush today. We're gonna hammer them. This is the bite I've been waiting for all year. Flipping brush. Let's do it. Come on, Dieter bug. Put them away. About a 2-pounder. See ya. Oh, that's game winner right there, man. If I get unhung. There's a nice one. In the thick. Come on, get off there. There we go. Way back in there, like way back in there. Fish number 2. Take that all day. Getting in it today, boys. Oh, wow. Check this out. I don't know if you guys can get a glimpse of that, but that guy has a crawdad down his mouth. When you find crawdads in their gullet, you know you're fishing the right stuff. Throw the bandito bug. That's exactly what they're eating. That's crazy. He's legit got a crawdad on his throat. That's psycho. Another nice one. About a 2-pounder, 1.5-pounder. We'll take it. Shoo. There's one. There he goes. Another one. Damn, that was sweet. Barely hooked. Barely hooked. Got him though. I'm either catching fish this big or like over 5 pounds. It's so weird. It just goes to show that there's either males or big females up right now. Such pretty fish in here, despite this being such a polluted lake full of trash. The fish just looked amazing. They honestly look amazing. Tail's a little gunked up. He's been fanning. All right, buddy. Thank you for the love. See ya. Good one. Oh my God, giant fish, giant fish, giant fish, giant fish, giant fish, giant fish. Wow, that's a big one. Do not come off, do not come off. That's a giant fish. Golly, that's a nice fish. I got you. Oh yeah. That's the one we want, boys. Fishing a trash infested lake, and that is an absolute donkey. Woo! I almost didn't even come to this lake. I almost went to the lake that I'm gonna catch all my big fish just because, you know, I've got so much confidence there. But I was like, you know what? This little lake, it's not too far from me. They ought to be chewing. And damn, are they chewing. Spawn is on it, bloody, just bloody. That fish was just fanning. Probably about a 6-pounder. We'll take it. There's a nice one. There we go. Wow, that's a good fish. Not too shabby. Come on. Ah, stop that. Stop that. Shoof. High twos, maybe. High twos. It's so funny. I was actually flipping in the shallows and I flipped right over a gar and I felt like a tap, and I'm like, oh, that must just be the gar kicking its tail. Then the gar swims off and I still feel the tap. I'm like, oh, that's a bass. Man, we were doing good out here. Like, it's clear that these fish are eating in the shallows. I don't necessarily know if they're feeding the shallows or if I'm just getting in their territory where they're spawning and they're getting aggressive, but this is definitely the place to be. There could be a better bite somewhere else, but tons of confidence doing this, so I'm just gonna keep trucking. It's a good one. Honestly, it's probably like my third biggest fish of the day. See you later, bubby. Just gonna dip you over. Shoo. Take care, see ya. Tell the mom and them I said hello. Be safe. Wash your hands. Oh my God, that was a fish the whole time. Jesus, there's a lot of fish back here. I was looking at something that I thought was a huge bass, but I think it was just a gar. Take a look at that guy. Oh, good fish. Ooh, that was a silent release. Stealthy. Look at this gar. He's chasing after my bug. Oh, he wants it. Can't have it. Oh, look it. There's the alligator. Do you guys see that? See how close we can get. Famous last words. See how close we can get to this alligator. Oh, and he just sunk back down. Ooh, Jesus, that's kind of spooky. That's a little spooky. He's probably back here eating bed and bass. He's not afraid of me either. He does not care. There we go. That's a good one. It's a giant fish. Giant fish. No, he just came off. Oh my God, on the frog. Oh my God, that was a giant fish on the frog. That was a giant fish on the frog. Holy shit. That was like a 6-7 pounder. Oh my God. That was a giant fish. Oh, that was a big fish. Jesus, mother of Joseph. I'm pissed I just lost that bass. God damn, he choked it. Or I guess he didn't choke it because I just lost him, but I knew they had to be eating the frog. That was a good bass. Damn. He just got me hung up on that log right there. Oh, the water's 67 back here. Is definitely the warmest water I've found. I just had a feeling that if I threw this filthy frog, I'd get a bite. He was just in kind of a particular spot there. Woo, that burns a little bit. That was a big bass. That was a big bass. Okay, so I just got done flipping some brush, negative, nothing. Had one little blow up on the frog, but I'm pretty sure it was a gar. Fast forward to right now though. My buddy Cole, who you probably have seen in a few of my videos, is out here as well. I was on a good bite, of course. I gave him a call and I'm like, yo, dude, you should get out here. He's not too far from the lake. So he's like, word, hook up the boat, drops in here. He gets out here and the bite's slow. And I'm like, all right, I feel kind of bad. But I just got a call from him 2 seconds ago, which you saw on the GoPro. And he's like, brother, I got a tank. Kid caught some big fish. So I have a feeling this is probably a good one. He doesn't have a scale, so I'm going to go weigh this fish for him. There's Cole. He's so little. Beep. See if you can grab onto my boat there so I don't destroy the living tits out of your gel coat. I want to see this fish. Dude, I'm glad you caught a big one because I felt so bad. I was like, yo, come out here, and then they're not biting, and then you got a big one. Let me see this thing. Oh, come on. Pulls out a carp. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. I mean, oh my God. Big, it's really big. Oh my God. I'm gonna say, if not 10, probably 9 maybe. I don't know, dude.
Can I turn this on? Do you hold it down?
Yeah, it's kind of stupid. 9 all day, I think.
It's big, dude.
I think you're gonna be surprised at how big that fish is. Oh, it's dead. No, I'm just kidding. You're good, you're good. Yeah. It might go 8.5. It's not a very long fish. Oh, there we go. That's more like it. Yeah. That's more like it. Dude, 8.15! 8.15, that's still a humongous fish.
That's sick.
That's the biggest bass I've seen all season. Oh my God.
Thanks, dude.
Like hold that fish up so I can get a nice shot for the people. Oh my Lord. That is why I was like, dude, get your ass out here, because the bigs are eating. It's a unit. My scale's a little whack. I think it's 9 flat, for real. That's a huge, I got 2/8 this season and they weren't even close to looking like that. What a disgusting monster. Oh my God. Sweet, now I'm gonna go back to this tree tomorrow and hopefully she's gained an ounce. That is why you just stick with the keep fishing, never stop mentality. How many fish have you caught today?
Like 4.
Like, it's not been good in the afternoon. Like, I felt so bad when I was like, dude, get out here right now. And he's like, what the f are you talking about? If I didn't have video proof, he'd probably think I was a liar. Well, I was gonna head off the water, but I guess I'm gonna keep flipping. Eat your kibble. Eat your kibble. Why are you looking at me like that? Show the people how you eat your kibbles. This dog, I swear to God, like does not care about food. Like, look at this. You know, she got food. She got food. What's the matter with you? Well, I am officially goosed. That was a long session, a long day. Funny thing is I like don't. Oh, she's eating now. She's camera shy. You're so good. A good wiener for eating your kibbles. The thing is I don't eat when I'm out fishing. So every time I get back, I'm starved. I just placed 2 orders of teriyaki beef because I am so damn hungry. But anyway, I'm gonna close the video here. I got really soupy out in the lake. As soon as I filmed Cole's fish, it started to kind of like rain and it got cold and nasty. I'm just like, I gotta go in. It's like 7 p.m. I got a lot of stuff I want to do. But tomorrow I'm gonna fish that same lake and hopefully we can replicate the pattern that we had today. I feel like I missed so many damn fish and I hate that feeling. I'm gonna peace out right about here. Gonna grab some grub because I am starved, as is Lucky. But I just wanna say thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are staying safe. Get out there and fish, explore the outdoors, and just have fun. You know, that's the big motto right now, is just get out there and reconnect with the lakes and the nature surrounding you. Wow, that got a little cheesy. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. I'm peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And as always, folks, keep fishing, never stop.